Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix a blurry story on Facebook. First of all, you need to open the Facebook app. Then click on the menu icon from the top right corner. After clicking on the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go into Settings from Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Media in Settings. Make sure that your story quality is set to optimized rather than data saver. If you have turned on the optimized option and your stories are still blurry, then check your internet connection. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.